Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about the best way you can use this Madam White for you not to have dark knuckle and skin discoloration, because most people are using this Madam White wrongly and they will end up with a dark knuckle. So if you're interested in using this Madam White, please stay tuned to find out more. So I'm talking about this Madam White. Madam White is a very strong whitening cream that can give you about 4 to 5 shades or 6 shades lighter. So why I say that most people are using this Madam White wrongly is that Madam White is a very strong whitening cream. And if you're a beginner, you have not used a lightening product before and you are dark in complexion and you start with this Madam White, you're getting it wrong because it will give you dark knuckle and skin discoloration. So for you to use this Madam White, you have to start by stage. Why I say stage by stage is that you first of all use a mild lightening product. For example, Pure Egyptian Magic Gold. Pure Egyptian Magic Gold is mild to use and is also a beginner friendly if you have not used a lightening product before. Also, Q7 is also a beginner friendly. It will not give you dark knuckle and also skin discoloration. So start with that Pure Egyptian Magic Gold. Then you can go for example Gold Face Cream. Gold Face Cream is also very good as well. Then you can extend to this Madam White. And when starting this Madam White, I will advise you to start with only the cream. Don't start using it with the serum together because it will be too much. First of all with the cream. Then if you want more shade, you can add the serum on top it. Then you will end up not having a dark knuckle and skin discoloration. It will gently blend your body together. But using it straight away, using this lightening product straight away will give you dark knuckle and skin discoloration. So if you are interested in using this cream, please follow the way I said. Don't go and be using it directly and end up with dark knuckle and then you start looking for a knuckle remover. That will be too much for you. So that's all I have to say about this Madam White. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to hear more. Thank you. Bye.